Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at what just might be the best plush unicorn toy on the market, and yes, it's machine washable. Meet Poppy the Unicorn by Plushible, a soft, vibrant, and delightfully huggable stuffed animal designed for girls and boys of all ages. Let's dive into why this 10-inch plush unicorn is more than just a toy, it's a companion. First off, the texture. Poppy is made with premium ultra-soft plush material that immediately gives off cozy, cuddle me vibes. Whether it's nap time, playtime, or a moment of comfort, this unicorn is designed to be irresistibly huggable. You can feel the quality in the fabric, and its fluffiness holds up even after countless squeezes. Visually, Poppy doesn't disappoint. The vibrant, whimsical design includes colorful hair and an adorable face that makes it feel alive and full of personality. It's not just a toy, it's a magical decorative piece that brings joy and imagination to any room. But here's a huge win for parents: Poppy is machine washable. That's right, this unicorn is crafted with durable materials that can handle the rough and tumble of everyday play, and when things get messy, just toss it in the wash. It'll come out clean, fluffy, and ready for more snuggles. No special care needed, just simple, reliable longevity. Now, while we're focusing on the 10-inch version today, Plushible offers Poppy in multiple sizes, from cuddly companions to life-sized magical plushies that can make a big impression as a gift. Whether it's a bedtime buddy or a room centerpiece, there's a size for every purpose and personality. Safety is also clearly a priority. The construction is toddler-friendly and free from harsh elements, making it a great option even for younger children. And of course, older kids, and even adults who are unicorn lovers, will appreciate the design and comfort just as much. So whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or just because, Poppy the Unicorn delivers softness, joy, and magic in one adorable package. It's machine washable, safe for all ages, beautifully designed, and made to last. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you hands-on reviews of standout products worth your time and money. If you're enchanted by Poppy the Unicorn, check the description below for the product link, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more product breakdowns just like this. See you in the next review.